case of how to put a USDZ file into your Showbie. So if I click at the top to where the plus is, and I click the plus, and then I'm going to go over to import document. If I just search here, USDZ, it's going to pop up with all my USDZ files. So I'm going to have a quick search to see which one I want, and then I'm going to click on it. This one's amazing, by the way. It's a Great Fire of London one, which is lovely, one of the original fire engines. Click open. So that's going to upload, might take a little bit of time. And then what's going to happen, it's going to pop in and it's going to look a little bit funny. You can't see it. It's not very interactive. Like when you look at it, it doesn't tell you really what it is. And you'll see in a sec when that comes up. Man. Right, here we go. So if I move up, now we've got it, that Bristow Fire Engine USDZ file. You can see, not very interesting. Teach the kids what that USDZ means. But now if I click on it, it's going to open directly into, I move it down, directly into Showbie. There we go. I've got it there. I can have a look at it. I can create the size. So kids can use this at their desks. There we go. How lovely is that? And then if I tap on it again, right at the top, we've got AR, so that scene, augmented reality scene, but we've also got object. I love object because if I click on it, here we go. We've got a lovely background. We can now screenshot that and we can then start marking up to give labels, to give descriptions, and to just talk about and extract that information with questions and more details. All right, hope that helps. Take care, guys.